Manje ufotel tep in July.
I'm always ahead of things. Shoes are namhlanje.
Alandeleki good. Vela khona isikubone. Qeda kulenda no. Deep man.
Les sidark but lock. Shoo.
South Africa namaphetha.
Abasiphe neBotswana neSwaziland.
Lesotho.
Thathe nayo. Uyazi nje. Ay, Sithelo. Meya.
Wena ke?
Meya. Mama womkhandlu. Yes. Singajulaya nje kodwa. July ayifani. Fana trebanje lesi.
Ayingeke.
Ha?
Lento kuyashintsha masikani.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. When it comes to fashion, Sithelo Shozi is definitely the girl you think she is. Sithelo killed her look at the Durban July yesterday. Sithelo, who is known for her priceless reaction, even came up with the term "skaqa," has reacted to the beautiful pictures she took last night. So check out her reactions, you guys. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.